Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Delia and it's Ryan there. Sorry, pay attention to the road. Whoops. See my hair? Who like my hairstyle? We're going somewhere. Yes. But I'm not telling you guys yet. You have to wait until we get there and then I tell you where we're going.
Right.
So me find my boyfriend. He's on babes.
He's a nice lady.
First we're going to change tire.
You can't tell them where we're going.
No, it's a surprise. Can you see? You see yourself?
No. And it's very dark.
I don't make it dark. The sun is out, that's why.
How much tire? One tire?
One tire, yeah. So we're going on a road trip. We're going somewhere that
You're welcome.
I've never been before, Ryan has never been before. And if you check the back seat, then it is in the back seat. He's never been there before. I haven't done my hair yet. I have them in my little rollers. I haven't done it yet. I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup either. I might just do my brows and stuff. And we stopped at Burger King. What's a road trip without junk food? So okay, I'll get back to you when I'm done.
My card.
Which card?
It's a free card. See them? Show them.
Show who? You have to pay money still and give it. Oh, no. Oh.
Show YouTube.
Oh.
Get that piece of card. I wonder if you put out of focus?
Yeah.
Here.
So we are in Kingston.
Where around here's your name?
I have no idea where this is, but we are going to Rand's brother's home first, and then we go where we are going. I'm so excited. See Rand there?
Yeah.
You look tired. Him drive all the way.
Me and the family.
Where? See Ryan there, him tired, him drive all the way along the highway. Yes, and it was, of course, see you there. Maybe anything like yourself. So we reach now. So we reach now. I'm going to do my hair, take out these out my hair, and do my brows. That's all I'm doing because it is hot as hell. No makeup today. Just going to take out these.
Hey, you see me a pass?
No makeup today because
You
it's
see me a pass
very,
your house?
very, very hot. So
Go on like you know to
when we
me.
get, be quiet, you never see me talk.
You never see me?
So when we get to the place, then I start vlogging because I want to save my battery life as well as space. I need to buy another battery too, you know. Why? But anyway, see you later guys. Okay, so I did my hair and my curls are popping. Yay! Man, washing face.
Leave it at me do.
And I did my brows as well. You see what a difference look at eyebrow can do? Oh my god, but I love my hair though. And I'm going to do an outfit of the day as soon as I get there.
Different care.
Set me free. Always wanting more of your love. better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it.
Good afternoon. I didn't get to come back last night because my battery died, but it's Sunday afternoon and we are about to leave Kingston. As you may have seen if you have watched the entire video, we had so much fun last night. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe for more videos from us. Until next time, bye.